Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's topic is how to automatically highlight the row based on sale value in Microsoft Excel. Here I have a invoice and payment tracker sheet, and in the status of invoice column, if I put here paid as a status of invoice, the row is automatically highlighted. Similarly, here also if I write paid, the row gets auto highlighted. When I delete this, the highlighting gets removed. So this we are going to learn here, and we do this by using the conditional formatting tool of Excel. So first of all, let me remove the conditional formatting that is already applied here by going to Home tab, conditional formatting, then clear rule from the selected cell. Now there is no any conditional formatting, and first of all, to apply this kind of rule, you have to select your data where you want the highlighting, then go to Home tab, click on conditional formatting, click on new rule, and choose use a formula to determine which cell to format option. Then here in the formula bar, you have to write this formula equal to, then your value will be in the H column, so here type H column, then give the first row of your data, that is the row number 4, so here put 4, press is equal to, then provide the value based on which you want the row to be highlighted. So here my value is paid, so type double quotation, then type paid, double quotation close. In case your value is a numeric value, you don't have to give the double quotation here. If it is a text value, then provide the double quotations before and after. Then here before the column H, write the dollar symbol this way. Now after you write this, click on the format button, then click on fill tab, then choose a color that you want for highlighting. Here I will select this yellow color. Now click OK. Again click OK. Now the row will get auto highlighted when I put here the value paid. Here you see when I write paid as a status of invoice, the row gets automatically highlighted. Similarly here too, if I write paid, it gets auto highlighted, and if I delete this, the highlighting gets automatically removed. So this is the process of highlighting the row based on cell value in Microsoft Excel. This much for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up by tapping on the like button below, and also subscribe to the channel to get similar kind of video updates in future. Once again, thank you very much for watching. We will again meet in next video tutorial.